Well, hi everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here as we start things off. Two things that will impact temperatures out there today. One, clouds, and two, snowpack. Some of you have more snow on the ground than others, but if you have a lot of snow on the ground, you're going to keep it cooler. If you have clouds, which is going to be the eastern part of the state, that's also going to keep things cooler. Now, I do expect some sun today, especially starting out west here, but sun will slowly work its way eastward through the day, so you'll eventually get some sun in central and eastern Nebraska, but it'll take a little more time. Meanwhile, breezy south and southeast winds. So we're going to see a wide range in temps today. I'll get to those in just a bit. Then overnight tonight, a cold front. You can already see it in the northwest part of the state there where we have the wind change, the direction of the winds changing. That front's going to make its way southeastward tonight, and that's going to bring a change in the wind, some strong northwesterly winds behind that front, and some precipitation, some light rain or snow changing over to snow. Now, your best chance is going to be north of the interstate, and the best chance of accumulating snow is going to be far northern portions of Nebraska, so I'm not really expecting any accumulating snow around the Tri-Cities area. We'll keep a slight chance of rain or snow in the morning and then clear that out in the afternoon. In fact, get the skies to clear up in the afternoon, but a very strong northwesterly wind behind that front. It's going to be a very windy day for your Tuesday out there, and I'll talk about a high wind watch that's out as well. So first off, let's get into the snow coming in for tonight and tomorrow morning. We may pick up an additional inch or two in the northern part of the state. Now, this model is the more aggressive one, and we know that sometimes things can get more aggressive. We saw it this weekend in some spots. But right now, I'm thinking 1 to 2, maybe up to 3. 4 would be pushing it up there around Ainsworth and O'Neill. Central Nebraska around Ord, Broken Bow, Albion, maybe up around a ½ inch or so, and then really not expecting much snow accumulation around the Tri-Cities area. Also mentioned the winds getting strong tonight and tomorrow. Now, you can't see it on here. It's kind of blocked off a bit by my image there, but a high wind watch in place for southwest Nebraska. This is the area that could see some of the strongest winds gusting up around 55 miles per hour. We'll see that go into effect at 9 o'clock Mountain Time, 10 o'clock Central Time this evening, and continue tomorrow afternoon through 3 o'clock Mountain Time, 4 o'clock Central Daylight Time. And again, that includes Red Willow, Hitchcock County, and the KSMB viewing area. Well, let's get to those temperatures for today because there's going to be a wide range out there. Mid to upper 40s up north, even low to mid 50s in Broken Bow and Ainsworth. Again, the two things impacting temperatures today, snow on the ground and clouds out there. So notice the big difference there between McCook and Imperial, where there's no snow on the ground, and they're going to see a little sunshine today. Upper 60s. There is some snow on the ground around North Platte, Lexington, so mid 50s. But even then, it's getting even cooler the farther east you go. Tri-Cities, even a difference between Hastings, Grand Island, and Kearney. I think snow on the ground will have an impact, and how long those clouds stick around will have an impact. Meanwhile, down in Kansas, barely any snow on the ground, if any. 50s, mid 50s to near 60 degrees. Out east, these are the areas I'm really struggling to forecast because the clouds are going to be around a good portion of the day today. And also, a lot of these areas got hammered hard. So I would not be surprised at all. Some of these spots keep highs in the 30s today, and I'm talking mid 30s, upper 30s. So I might be going a little too warm. That's what I'm thinking right now. I'm going with upper 30s, low to mid 40s, but there's a chance it could be much chillier than that. All right, now to that 7-day forecast as you all want to know about more snow that might be coming. Again, that chance tonight's pretty minimal around the Tri-Cities area. Windy, colder on Tuesday, high only back in the 30s. After a cold start Wednesday morning in the upper teens, we do see nice recovery Wednesday thanks to a stronger south wind and mostly sunny skies. We'll see that high back into the mid upper 50s and lower 60s, closer to our average high. Thursday, now we're going to be pushing a cold front through Wednesday night into Thursday, so it will be a little cooler. Would not even be surprised if we see some dropping temperatures Thursday afternoon. And then late Thursday night, we see our next chance of snow move in, and the chances get better during the day on Friday. This is probably our best bet for our accumulating snowfall, but right now, forecast models are all over the place with the amounts, where that would be, and the timing of it. So there's still a lot of question marks to Friday, but it does look like it's going to be much colder and breezy again on Friday. The chances of snow, maybe some rain mixed in, but mostly snow, do start to drop off later Friday night into Saturday. And even though it shows a lot of precipitation on that Friday through Sunday time frame, this is going to be a lot of off and on chances, not a consistent chance the whole time. Again, I'm only going 20 to 30% chances through the weekend, so we're not going to see a lot. And as it starts to warm up, some warm air is going to start to lift in, especially by Sunday. It'll become more of a rain chance than snow chance anyway. It is mostly in the morning on Sunday there, so hopefully getting some temperature recovery there as we get through the weekend, especially by Sunday. But I think Friday is probably our best bet, maybe Friday night, of seeing accumulating snowfall in the area. But you want to stay tuned to the forecast here in the coming days as we get closer to that, because yeah, I'm not going to be fun if we're still talking about snow, 5 days from now. But it still happens in April, but at least it melts quick. That's the one good thing, is we're finding out with the yesterday's snow, and some of you will find out today it melts off pretty quickly with some sun, and that April sun angle helps a lot. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all do enjoy your Monday. God bless.